welcome viewers to my YouTube channel. To those who have subscribed, thank you, and to those who have not yet subscribed, may you please subscribe so that you'll be notified when I upload another video. So today we are going to do these Sungura licks, like maybe someone is singing like if Jesus and or something like such an imbafa, those kind of Sungura things. We are going to play something which is simple for you guys. Here we go. Let's put a beat first. This is the first step, right? Then let's move to the next step again. Listen. So that's it. Very simple, very simple. I hope you are seeing it. So let me do a breakdown for you. On the right hand, I'm doing something like this. 1 2 3 2 1 2 3 5 1 2 3 5 2 1 2 3 5. So I'm saying 1 1 3 times, then 2 1 time, then again 1 1 1 5 1 2 3 2 1 2 3, like let's see the bass. I'm using these notes, so I'm saying, maybe I sing it, guys. Like, oh, I'm sorry for the power cut, but it's just, let's continue from where we left it. We're using each voice again, something like, I think it was in class one, like so it's like so that's it, guys. Go and subscribe to my channel. That's how we do it, that's how we play it. Thanks for your follow.